windshield glass. Throw that down there so nobody gets cut. We're just hiking a trail down here at Amicalola Falls, and up there in the woods we can see from the trail there is an old Chevy pickup. We're gonna hike up there and take a look. It's about maybe 50-60 feet above the trail, I think, leaning against a tree. Here's the trail going up. And this Chevy truck here sitting on the side of a cliff. Looks like it got washed down this riverbed and ended up sitting on a tree. It's about 100 feet or so above the trail down below. If it wasn't so precarious, somebody would have already taken it. It is a 5-window pickup, so a pretty cool pickup.